Celebrate yourselves, beautiful people, for showing up today, for being open-hearted and open-minded, for being brave. We will be the generation that brings peace to the earth. We will be the generation that unites all the people, that ends all the wars. Starts with you. Starts with the energy that you felt tonight. Those seeds that we planted, take them with you. Plant those seeds in the hearts of others. Inspire them to shine bright. One of my friends said that more people have woken up in the last 3 years than in the last 30 years. What's going to happen in the next 3 years? Can we get the majority of the world in unity consciousness, oneness consciousness, Krishna consciousness, Christ consciousness, whatever you call it? Thank you.